All right, Vivid Racing fans, we have an awesome one for you today. This is a Porsche Cayenne 3.6 liter twin turbo that we're gonna do our VRTuned ECU Flash on and dyno test it. So let's check it out. So the Porsche Cayenne comes equipped with a 3.6 liter twin turbo engine, just like the Macan, 420 horsepower stock. So doing this ECU flash requires the ECU to be removed from the vehicle, which is very simple underneath the hood. Luckily, Porsche has kept the ECU in the same location since I think 2003, and that is accessed back here behind this panel. ECU simply unplugs, big plugs there, unbolt the ECU, comes out. From there, we're able to do the bench flash. So again, awesome 420 horsepower, 3.6 liter engine stock. We're gonna run this on our dyno here, do our VRTuned ECU flash, and show you how much it's gonna gain from the flash. All right, it's pretty amazing here. This thing is putting out almost 380 all-wheel horsepower, which is pretty good drivetrain loss from the factory 420 to the motor. So now we've got 3 runs that show we've got consistent baseline stock results. We're gonna jump out, pull that ECU, do our flash, and then we'll run it again. The ECU's been flashed, we've done changes, made the mappings way more improved to give the car some serious performance, horsepower, and torque. So now we're going to jump in and run it so we can see the gains between tuned and stock. So this will be our first tuned run, standard mode in 4th gear. First dyno pull done. We're getting about 100 to 105 miles per hour there, top out 4th gear, 6,500 RPMs, and we're seeing about a 0.2 bar increase of boost, which is going to be good for our power gain. So let's do another run so we can make sure we get good, consistent results. Just finished dyno runs with the tune file on there. We've got some amazing results. Really good power gain throughout the full RPM range. Almost 40 wheel horsepower, which makes a tremendous difference. Taking this Cayenne GTS from 420 bhp up to nearly 480 bhp. So let's check out the dyno results on the screen. Down low, we immediately have some serious gains in torque. Almost 70 foot-pounds right here where the turbos are kicking in. If you're driving a Cayenne, you want this for your stop and go. 0 to 60 is more important than 60 to 130 in one of these. However, horsepower still increased. Even at our biggest increase point right here, we see 40 all-wheel horsepower. So that's almost 60 at the crank. Overall, you can see horsepower and torque increasing throughout the entire power curve. Absolutely impressive gains from the 3.6 liter Porsche GTS. Hope you guys enjoyed today's dyno video here at Vivid Racing. Again, really impressed with the results. Always fun doing cars here on the dyno with the VRTuned software. So this thing's done, time to get out of here. So make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.